Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're doing fantastic, and we have an on fire week over at Walgreens because the deals that are happening in store are spilling over to curbside using discount codes. There's fire coming from my keyboard this morning. What is a curbside pickup? So you're going to order this stuff through the Walgreens app. On the left-hand side with the red check, you're opting for a pickup. You're going to drive to the store or walk to the store, pick up your order at the photo counter, and that is your curbside pickup. It's that easy. If you can't add certain items to the basket, it's probably no longer in stock at your store. But a lot of you prefer to shop this way, so this is today's video. However, if you are an old school shopper that likes the register rewards, you like to look at everything, and you're not about, ordering stuff on the internet, I would recommend to check out yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end. And before I dive into the curbsides, just want to talk about a couple of things. The first is, if you are going to find any of these pull-ups, make sure you activate ShopMeme. Has $1.50 back, and I also think there's $1.50 digital that showed up on Sunday. It makes one of these bags free if you can grab more than $1.50 worth, so 2 of them. And then also just a quick shot, if you can only find one of these PJ Mask Pampers, 3,000 points back on Fetch. It still makes it a $1.51 moneymaker. These 2 have to be done in store. Lots of baby stuff, 90% off over at Walgreens, in store only. Okay, let's talk about deal number 1. This is just a deal to be done. It's nothing too fancy using Walgreens cash. We're going to throw in 2 of these Dove shampoos on a buy one, get one 50% off for $7.48. We got this magic digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. So definitely load and use this one because it's quite the fantastic little coupon. And we're also going to throw in 2 of these guys. Now with the Dove, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 2, and you're going to get $4 back for buying 2 of these Garnier Whole Blends this week. And we have a 3 off 2 that we're also going to load with this deal. The math to balance, I thought I would throw in 2 bags of these mango gummies. This was some sort of like TikTok Walgreens treat that you couldn't find for 2 months. Back in stock. Check this out. 5, 3, and then with the code WAG10, an extra 65 cents off. Alternatively, you can use the code FAST10. And you would get 65 cents off. So just looking at the basket, it's $19.46, 65 cents off, free curbside pickup, tax, and $8 melting off. $11.72. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.72, go for it, and you're getting $9 back. 5 for Dove and 4 for Garnier. Okay, so now we have deal number 2. You're going to need your best friend loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend 40. I think the majority of us have this booster, so make sure you have it loaded. And we are going to be grabbing a hodgepodge of products for this, including 2 of the Dove shampoos for $7.48. And you guessed it, you need this digital loaded, which is the 5 off of 2. And then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for that one. So nothing to sneeze at there. We're also going to grab a pack of these Almighty pack or Almighty detergents. Sorry, I can't talk today. $4.99, and then we have a $3 digital coupon. So make sure you have that loaded. If you have sensitive skin, this is a fantastic detergent. We're also going to be grabbing one of these toilet papers for $5. We need some stuff to really get the basket to balance here, and you're going to see what I'm doing. And then we need this guy loaded along with the store coupon, which is $1.25 off. And I've balanced the math with that store coupon, so that's why there's all these little extras in this basket. Now, we're also going to be grabbing 3 of these Essie nail polishes. And this is called I guess it's a vegan formula. And they're $9 each, so they're not giving this stuff away. But if you need nice nail polishes for the summer, why not? We have a 10 off of 3, which is a very generous coupon. And there's also an IVC for this product, which is a $2 off. So those IVCs really added up here. You're going to see this in a second. And with the massive basket, the last item we're grabbing is 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends for $8 in the Honey Treasure scent. And we have a 3 off 2 digital. You're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash when you purchase this online. Take a look at this, guys. Woo! And let's not forget to also use the code WAG10, but like lots and lots of coupons. It's like 17 miles long. 202 with WAG10 coming off. Not too shabby. So just to show you the overall basket, it was $52.42. But the Walgreens IVCs, 927 melting off, free curbside pickup, $2.59 in tax, $20 in digital coupons. You're going to pay $25.79 with your debit card as you're using that spend booster of spend 40, get back 10, and you're getting back $19. So this is called Not Too Shabby. You have a little bit of everything in this haul. Now this one, I think a lot of you are going to be very interested in, deal number 3. Again, you need your best friend loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 40. We're looking for the biggest Tide that they sell, this guy for $15.99. His original price is $21.99, so that's savings right there. However, we have a $4 digital coupon that is attaching to that massive Tide that they sell over at Walgreens. We're also going to grab one of these Downies for $7.49, and we have a nice little digital coupon that's coming with this, and this stuff is magic in a bottle. $3.50 off. Yeah, thank you very much. Now there's a promotion with P&G that when you spend $20, you're getting back $5, and these two products are working with this promotion. So that's why, you know, I grabbed all of that. We're also going to grab 2 of these Blink eye drops for $11.98 on a buy one get one 50% off, and we're going to load the 6 off 2. This is a manufacturer coupon. Plus, we have a Walgreens coupon for this product, which is a $4 off of one of these Blink products. And with the dust and pollen around right now, I wouldn't mind having some of this. Also going to throw in 2 of these Axe 3-in-1 body washes for $7.48. And we have a 5 off 2 that's attaching, and we're getting back some Walgreens cash with the purchase of those 2 Axes as well. And then we're going to throw in one of these guys, the all liquid detergent, or you can get the packs for $4.99. They're usually $9. So if you have sensitive skin, you know the value in this. And we have that $1 digital coupon. Brace yourself for this one. Look at this, guys. Whoa, that is a lot. And let's not forget your code of WAG10. I mean, I just love when things work out. Now, the overall basket is $47.93 with the Walgreens coupons or IVC, $7.32 melting off, free curbside pickup, tax, $19.50 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, pay $23.55 and you're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash, and this is called Magic. Okay, and the final deal that I have prepared for you, you need your best friend loaded again, which is a 10 back when you spend 40. Have this booster loaded. And what we're going to do is grab one of these Crest Daily Whitening Serum Mints for $25.99. You're saving $4 right there. We have a very generous $10 off manufacturer coupon. Make sure you have this guy and make sure you load this guy as well. $10 off. A box of the Crest White Strips for $39.99. And we have a $20 digital to accompany this. Now there's a promotion of spend 50, get back 15, and then there's another booster that a lot of us had, which was spend 20, get back 5, and both are attaching. So anyhow, your course line, and let's not forget WAG 10. So it's $65.98, $3.60 with the Walgreens coupon. $30 in digitals coming off. So you're going to pay $36.12. You're getting $10 back for spending $40 with the booster. And then you're getting back another $20, $15 for the spend 50, get back 15, and then spend 20, get back 5, the booster on the P&G, the one that you could load a couple weeks ago. Let's not forget to use your debit card as you're using a bunch of spend offers with this one and you want to get your money back. But it makes this like extremely cheap, like 78 cents or something very cheap for a box of white strips and that whitening serum. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.